Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of people are asking me, hey Sam, how low can Bitcoin go? Well, I've been telling them 6,959,5,000 at most. Now, why do I think so? Now, don't take this for a financial advice. I might be wrong, okay? Now, why do I think that amount? Number one, the price of oil has drastically gone down. Obviously, people would want to be buying at this time. As you can see, it has crashed by 90%. People are looking for other ways, to put their money to hedge their funds. And if you've been following Rich Dad lately, the guy has been talking about Bitcoin. Like what he said here, I don't consider gold, silver, Bitcoin as an investment. All right. So to me, they are insurance, hedges, and against, this other part doesn't concern us, but he made it clear that it's an insurance. And this guy is very popular in the non-cryptocurrency world. He has 1.3 million followers on Twitter and lots of followers on other social media platforms, mostly on YouTube. And he has been hammering on Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin gold and silver is seen as a store of value, right? So a lot of people will be trying to move their funds, from all these assets that are not really secure in quotes, such as stocks and bonds, into Bitcoin. Now, here's another reason why I think Bitcoin will not crash 90% the same way gold did. As you can see, Bitcoin is about $6,900, and guess what? Tether is in 4th place, and it has over 1, 2, 3. This is and that is $6 billion sitting down. Now, people save Tether for 2 reasons. Number one, just to save so that they will not have to put their money in the bank. Number two, so that they can buy cryptocurrencies at cheap price. A lot of people are looking for ways to buy cheaper Bitcoin because they know how scarce Bitcoin is, right? Bitcoin can only have 21 million supply, and there are more than 21 million millionaires around the world. You see, so there's not enough Bitcoin for every millionaire in the world. So that's one of the reasons, right? So I don't see Bitcoin crashing by 90%, and even if it does, I'm going to sell everything I have to buy Bitcoin. I'm serious. I'm telling you the gospel truth, right? Now, Brian Armstrong posted something that was on the 16th, and guess what? Just in case you don't know who this guy is, he's I think the founder, the CEO of Coinbase, and Coinbase is an application where people in US and some other countries can buy Bitcoin, easily. Guess what? Let's read this together. Percentage of buys deposits that are exactly the same size as the $1,200 stimulus check. What does that tell you? People in the US are using their free money from the government to buy Bitcoin. Right? So, well, like I said, don't take everything I've said as a financial advice. Do your own due diligence. But this is the case of oil price today. $1 is even traded at less than $0.9. Right, so there are a lot of guys waiting to buy Bitcoin at this level, and at the 5K level, right? So worst case can go is 4.5, but I don't see Bitcoin getting to 3.5. Not in this world.